Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech products on the market. Today, we've got an exciting laptop to talk about, the Lenovo 15.6 IdeaPad laptop with 20GB RAM and a massive 1TB SSD. If you're into music production, this could be the laptop you've been waiting for. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the specs. This Lenovo IdeaPad laptop comes equipped with 20GB of high-bandwidth RAM and a 1TB SSD. This combination ensures lightning-fast performance, making it perfect for music production tasks. But what makes this laptop stand out for music production? Well, it's powered by an Intel Pentium Silver N6000 quad-core processor with a base clock of 1.1 GHz and a boost clock that can reach up to 3.3 GHz. This means you'll have the processing power needed to run your music software smoothly and efficiently. The 15.6 Full HD anti-glare display provides crisp visuals, making it easy to work on your music projects. Whether you're editing audio tracks or composing music, the display quality won't disappoint. When it comes to connectivity, this laptop has you covered. It features a USB 3.0 Type-C port, a USB 3.0 Type-A port, a USB 2.0 Type-A port, an HDMI port, and a media card reader. Plus, it has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 for fast and reliable wireless connections. What's even more impressive is that it includes a 720p webcam for those virtual collaborations and comes with a 1-year subscription of Microsoft Office 365 Personal. And don't forget, it's running on Windows 11 Home in S mode. In terms of design, this laptop comes in a sleek abyss blue color. It's portable, weighing just 3.74 pounds, so you can easily take it with you wherever your music-making journey leads. Now, let's talk about the user experience. One of the standout features is the 20GB of RAM, which allows you to run multiple music production software simultaneously without any lag. Imagine composing, mixing, and editing all in one go. So, in conclusion, if you're looking for the best Lenovo laptop for music production, this Lenovo IdeaPad is a fantastic choice. With its powerful specs, ample storage, and great connectivity options, it's a solid investment for any music producer. If you want to learn more about this laptop or make a purchase, we've provided the Amazon link in the description below. And be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.